Hello friends. Today let's play a simple game. We will have to identify the animal or the bird from the sound. Are you ready to play this fun game? Okay, let's get started. Identify the animal from the sound. That is a cat which makes this sound meow meow. Let's move to our next one. Which bird makes this sound? Yes, it is a crow that's making this sound. Who will tell this one? Identify the bird which makes this sound. It is a peacock which is making this sound. Good going, kids. This one is simple. Identify the animal. That's a dog that is barking. Who can tell this one? Listen carefully. That's a horse. Yes, a horse's name. Okay, another simple one. Who can answer this correctly? Which animal is making this sound? That's a cow. Correct, a cow makes this sound. Cow is mooing. Can you tell which animal is this from the sound? That's a sheep that's making this sound. Good job, kids. Let's continue our fun game. Identify this animal from the sound. Yes, that's the lion making this sound. They roar to make this sound. Let's move to our next question. Who can identify this bird from the sound it's making? Listen again if you want. Yes, that's a duck that's quacking.
Let's see who can identify this wild animal from the sound. Yes, you got it right. It's an elephant trumpeting. Okay, who can tell me which animal makes this sound? Yes, it's a wolf that's howling here. Kids, have you heard this sound in the morning? Which bird makes this sound? Yes, that's a rooster that makes this sound. Anyone who can identify this animal from its sound? Correct, that is a goat.
Kids, hope you had good fun in playing this game. Let's meet soon. Until then, take care, goodbye.